Hi, I'm Manny. This time I'd like to share to you my arrangement of the song I Love You Lord. This is a very simple, very easy arrangement. Just 3 voices. I usually sing this with the All-Men Praise Choir of Redemptorist Church. All-male group. Now, in this arrangement, the bass group does the melody and the melody group does the second voice, and of course the tenors, the third voice. Very simple. So let's begin. Since this is a very short song, the first round is sung in unison. Everybody sings melody part. Then the second round we begin the 3-part harmony. Then the third round, semi a cappella or a cappella part. Then the instruments will come in at the end. Okay, let's begin. The tenor part. This is gonna be high. And I have a very low voice, so I don't think this is gonna sound good, but anyway, I'll give it a try. Just to serve as a guide for you when you practice this song. Okay, here goes. Let's play the guitar. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul, rejoice, take joy, my King, in what you hear. Make me a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. Okay, that's it. That's the tenor part. The same tune on the third round. So, give it a try. Now let's move on. Let's do the second voice. But this time it's the melody group that's gonna sing it. Well, let's give it a try. Give it a shot. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul, rejoice, take joy, my King, in what you hear. Make me a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. Now, time for the melody part, which is gonna be sung by the bass group. So here goes. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul, rejoice, take joy, my King, in what you hear. May it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear.